It's actually been 40 days and harvest date is 45. See, it's trying to flower, and that's the problem. You got to get it before it does that. So let's go ahead and pull some of this out. Need to get this out. Some of these I can probably leave in a little bit longer. They're not bolting, I'm gonna leave them in. It's the first time I've ever harvested bok choy. Some bok choy, fresh bok choy. They should be a little bit bigger. I don't know, maybe I needed to add some fertilizer or something, but yeah. And I'm actually 5 days early because I seen some of them started bolting. The flowers try to come out, so when you see that, you better get it out. So I'm gonna leave some of these in here a little bit longer so they can get bigger. Make some space. I'll probably cut this one out. Get these leaves up. But yeah, so the bok choy is about ready to come out. My wife, she's gonna make a soup with that. See what else we got over here. Grapevine. Cucumbers are growing big. We may have a couple of flowers on here. You know, there's a flower, cucumber flower right there. Trying to grow. So that's doing good. And this is going to latch on to the trellis soon, and then I can take this black tape off. I don't know what's going on with this calamansi tree. My son's bean plant is doing good. It's growing. The cucumber, not cucumber, the cantaloupe is over here, is growing. The pumpkin is over here. The watermelon down in there is growing. I'll probably cut this pumpkin out or dig it out and move it because I need that watermelon to grow. Quick update on the garden. I'm about to take this bok choy in. Fresh. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Time for a soup.